So, quick answer to a question about 1 and 2. If you're trying to find out if two things are inverses, this is number 1. You have kind of two options on how to do it. First, you can plug each one into the other. So I plugged x to the third into here, and it became this one. And then you plug this one into that one, and you see if you get x both times. So if you plug them into each other and get x when you simplify, then yes, they are inverses. Your other option is to pick one, and I just picked the first one. Pick one and find its inverse and see if it's that. So I picked the first one. You swap the x and the y, and then you solve for y. So to solve for y, I had to take the cubed root of both sides and then simplify, and I get y equals this. And so because when I found the inverse of this, it is that, then yes, those were inverses. For the second one, I did just a quicker example of the two methods. So plug one into the other. So I took this whole 1/2 x minus 3 and plugged it in, just kind of like you would if you were solving a system of equations with substitution. I plugged it in, and when I simplified, I did not get x, so no. Or pick one, again, I just picked the first one. I swap the x and the y, and I solve for y. And so the inverse of 2x plus 3 is x plus 3 over 2, not 1/2 x minus 3. So both of these methods yield a no. You just pick one method, the one you like the best, and that's what you do. Okay, let me know if you have other questions. I'll be glad to answer them as the best that I can.